How to upload music to Soundcloud. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to upload music to Soundcloud. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app and log into your account with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Then this kind of screen will pop up after you log in. Click on the arrow which is facing upwards. Then click on the file you want to upload. Then add title to your song. Pick genre. Describe your track and save it. Add a caption and save it again. You can also make this track public or private. Then click on picture. You can choose any picture from gallery or take a picture. Click on arrow, crop the picture and save it, which is located on top right corner of your screen. After uploading it, go to library and then click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen. You'll find the songs you posted. And that's how you upload music to SoundCloud. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.